Okay.
Climbed up the spout again.
Come on!
Incy Wincy
Aha!
spider climbed up the water spout.
Okay.
Down came the rain and washed poor Incy
Let's
out.
go.
Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spout again.
Okay.
Yoo-hoo! Oh, man!
Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy spider
Ooh.
climbed up the spout again.
Okay.
Aha!
Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried
Okay.
up all the rain. And Incy Wincy spider
Yes.
climbed up the spout again.
Aha! Okay.
Okay.
Incy Wincy spider
Yes.
climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out.
Come on!
Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy spider
Okay.
climbed up the spout again.
Let's go.
Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spout again.
Yoo-hoo!
Okay.
Aha!
Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy spider
Aha!
climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and
Okay.
washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy spider
Aha!
climbed up the spout again.
Okay.
Oh.
Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Oh,
Man?
no.
Do you know
Aha!
the Muffin Man
Okay.
who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin
no.
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Aha!
Do you know
Okay.
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Aha!
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
What
Man?
happened?
Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
Okay.
Lane?
Come on.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. the
Okay,
Muffin
let's
Man,
go.
the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Aha!
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Strawberry Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man,
What?
the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Strawberry
Aha!
Lane. The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Okay.
Yes, I know the
Ooh.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Oh no.
Half a pound of tuppenny rice.
Okay.
Half a pound of treacle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Aha!
For a spoon
Okay.
of bread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Okay.
Aha!
Every night when I get home, the monkey's on the table. Take
Okay.
a stick and knock it off. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. Half a pound of tuppenny rice, half a pound of treacle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. A penny
Okay.
for a spool of thread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
What happened? Uh-oh.
Every night when I get home, the monkey's on the table. Take a stick and knock it off. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Okay.
Half a pound of tuppenny rice, half a pound of treacle.
Okay.
That's the way the money goes. Pop
Aha!
goes the weasel.